14mm nut on the bottom of the caliper, and the last is a bolt. Flip our caliper up with our water pump pliers. Simply slowly squeeze back the piston, making sure your reservoir cap is undone. Here we go. With our screwdriver, simply pop out our brake pads, and as you can see, they're pretty well worn for 15,000 miles. Here's our other one. Give our pad slides a little bit of a clean up just to get any loose dust off. We get our new brake pads from Delphi, making sure they are the right way around. Now we need to remove our shims, making sure they do go on the right pad. So there's our piston side, as we can see there. Slot that on like that. There's that caliper slide. A little bit of copper slip on the slide surfaces of the brake pad so it doesn't get stuck over time. Yeah, a little bit tricky, these ones with springs and clips everywhere, but we push it in on a bit of an angle and then slide into the slot. That's good. Same with this one, just a bit of copper slip on the edges there. You see, we put it in on an angle first. It does make it a little bit easier. Make sure your springs sat in place. Here we go. All looks pretty good. Make sure your shims are still in contact with your pad. Simply fold the piston back down again. Check our slide pins are working. Yep, they're fine. Lower it back down. Refit our 14mm nut.